Keeping your plants safe from pests is always important. Borax is a naturally occurring mineral that can help control pests. Check out how you can use borax to protect your garden. 1. Clean and disinfect gardening tools. Cleaning your tools can help prevent pests and diseases and keep them from spreading. Soak your tools in a mixture of borax and water, then scrub and rinse them. 2. Strengthen soil. If your soil has a boron deficiency, you can add a little borax to it. Healthy soil will make your plants less susceptible to pests. 3. Get rid of ants. Ants can be a problem in gardens. They snack on plants and protect aphids. Our no-spill ant kill bait stations contain borax. These stations can be placed near your garden to help control the ants you see and those hiding in the nest. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.